Hey, what's up everybody? This is Osama here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send the end time for your countdown timers based on the email sent or email open status. All right, so in my GoHighLevel account, I'm under marketing and countdown timers. So firstly, we're going to create the timer and then we will embed that into our emails. So we're going to click on new right here, and then this will bring up the template here. So you can browse through different templates that GoHighLevel has available here. Let's say we are going forward with this one. So I will select it here, then continue with this template. And the idea is to make this timer work based on when the user opens their email. And we want to use this to create urgency for taking action. So you will see that we have three options here. So we have fixed, recurring, and dynamic. So we're going to go forward with dynamic here. And here we're going to set a time. So I want to set this to, let's say 15 minutes. And we'll just put 0 here. Now you can see the set end time is optional now. Previously, this was required. And because of that, we had to put in an end time. So it ended at that time for everybody, but now it is optional. So if you don't want to do that, you can turn this off. And now we can base these 15 minutes for the timer based on the email trigger. So we have two options here. One is when the email is sent, and then the other one is user opens the email. I think the first one makes more sense because what it will do is from the time the person opens the email, it will start the timer, and if they do not take action in the next 15 minutes, then this timer will go off, right? So let's go ahead and choose this first option right here. You also see the time zone thing here if you want to customize that. And then here you have some options like active timer leads link to. So if you have a link inside your emails, then it will go to the URL that you will mention here. So it could be any offer or maybe a birthday coupon or anything where you want to direct users to. So you can put this here. But if the timer expires or it goes off, then you can have a different link where you can say like, hey, sorry, this offer already expired. If you're still interested in the future offers, you can fill out this information here, or maybe you can take them to a different kind of customer journey. So it gives you full control based on the timer when it expires or when it is active. So you can dial those settings here. And once you're happy with these, I would suggest you name it properly. So we will just call this demo timer 2 for now. I already created one before this. So we'll go ahead and click on save right here. All right, once the timer is created, we're going to head over to marketing, and I'm going to head over to emails right here. So let's click on templates, and I'm going to create a new template right here. Let's just choose the simple one for the purpose of this video. And once it opens up, I'm going to drag this countdown timer right here. And once we see this here, we're going to make sure that we select this one. So once we have chosen the right one here, I'm just going to save this here. And then let's go ahead and test this out. So it should be dynamic and it should go off properly for this contact. So let's go ahead. I'm going to send myself a test email. And let's wait for a few seconds. All right, so I've got the email right here. And now if I scroll down, you can see the timer is reflecting 15 minutes and going backwards. So now it should not reset even though if I refresh. So we are at 44 seconds now. And if I do a quick refresh, it should still be going backwards. And of course, it should expire at 15 minutes, which is the time we set. So you can see it is working perfectly fine. And this will not end at a time that we always have to mention. It is going to be totally dynamic for this contact only. So this means you can use it for birthday campaigns, abandoned carts, and other use cases where these dynamic timers working in combination with emails can really prompt action. So that was all about this video. This was Sama signing off. I'll see you in the next one.